If you know how to solve today's challenge, it means you are ready to apply for a software development role. So let's see what the challenge is and how to solve it, shall we? So here is the challenge. Write a function which is called sum ones and twos that takes a string containing the words 1 and 2 separated by plus or minus and returns the total. For example, in here, if we pass this string into our function 1 plus 2 minus 1, we get 2. But this is not working at the moment. As you can see, if we run our test, it is failing. We expect 2, but we are getting the string. What's going on here? First of all, let me explain what we did here. The first thing we did was to replace all the ones and the twos in the string by their equivalent digit. We have seen this method before. And then we split the string into substrings. This regular expression here makes sure that the string is split wherever a minus or a plus is about to appear. And then we are trying to sum this. So this is where the problem is. Let me get rid of this line of code so that you can see clearly what's going on here and uncomment this. So in here we have an array of string, but what we're trying to do here, if I go back to where we were before, we are trying to sum this using the reduce method. But the current value here is not a number, it is a string. So what we need to do to address this is to turn this into a number. So this is exactly what I'm going to do here. So let's uncomment this now. So now as you can see, we get 2. So let's run our test. And the test is passing now. And of course, this is a trick in JavaScript which allows you to turn a string into a number. You could have, instead of doing this, you could have used number here, and that would have given you the same result. As you can see, if you run the test, we get 2. But yeah, let's go back to where we were before. Okay, so this is how you solve this challenge.